Hey everyone, how's it going? So in honor of the new Sonic the Hedgehog 2 movie coming out, I thought it'd be fun to show you how to draw a Sonic versus Knuckles in like a big face-off position. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Sonic and Knuckles face-off, let's begin with Sonic. I'm going to begin right here, and we just want to start by making a line that's going to go down with a curve, and then we're going to come up and bring it back like this. Now, we're going to start the eye, so we're going to draw a line that's going to come down, and we're going to bring it right up here to this line. Then I'm just going to bring this line back a little bit farther. Right inside of here, let's draw a line that's going to come down, and then we're going to go up for his eye. Starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to come out a little bit for the nose. And right here, we're going to make a line that's going to go up. We're going to come down like this, kind of like a sideways oval shape. Now starting here, we're going to draw a line that's just going to come down. And then I'm going to bring this up all the way to the eye. This is going to be like where his mouth is. Now starting here, we're just going to draw a line that's going to come over, and then we're going to go down. I'm going to bring this back up a little bit, and we'll connect it to here. Then we're going to make a little line across for his teeth. Then starting here, we're going to make a little line that's just going to come up for a little bit of detail by his mouth. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come up, and then we're going to go down. And right here, I'm going to make a line that's going to go up, and then down here for this eyebrow. We'll also add another little line right here. Starting up here, I want to make his ear. So I'm going to begin by drawing a line that's just going to come up, and then we're going to come down here. We'll make another little line that's going to come up. We'll make another line that comes down. Then I'm just going to add a little zigzag line across. Starting here, we're going to bring this line up, and we're going to come out here with a curve. I'm going to bring this back, and I'm going to make a line that comes to a point, and then I'm going to bring it back here. We'll start here. I'll make another line that's just going to come all the way off. Then we'll make a little line that comes in. Then we'll draw another line that's going to come out. Then we'll make another little line that comes in. Now starting here, I'm going to draw a little line that's just going to come all the way out to here. And I'm going to make another line that comes down. Starting here, let's draw a line that's going to go down, and we're going to curve it in a little bit. Then I'm going to draw a line that comes over, and then we're just going to go down. Right here for his leg, let's just draw a line that comes down, and then another one right here. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down. Then I'm just going to continue this down here. And I'm going to add a little line that's going to come out to a point and then back for the tail. Starting here, I'm going to make a line that comes up. It's going to go down, and then we're just going to bring it back up here for his stomach. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go out, and then I'm going to come down. Then I'll make a little line that's going to go over, and then I'm going to come up. And then we'll draw a little line back here. Right here we'll make this line a little longer. And then we'll draw 2 lines that are going to come down. I'm going to draw a little line that's going to curve around. I'm going to bring it down and then up. Go down and up again. And one more down and then up to here. We're going to bring this line out and then down, and we'll draw a little curved line and then just connect it here. Now that we have Sonic over here, we want to draw Knuckles over here. So to do this, I'm going to kind of line up this eye, and I'm just going to leave a little bit of space, and we're going to draw a line that's just going to go down, and then we're going to come up, and then we're going to bring it back down like this. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down. We're going to go over and then bring it to here. And we'll draw another line that goes down and then up here. Now, starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down. We're going to come up, and then we're going to go in. And then starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to come up. Right here, I'm going to make a line that's going to go down. I'm going to make a line that's going to go out. It's going to come back, and then we're going to go up. Next, we're going to make a line that's going to go down. We're going to come up, and then go back down. Next, I'm going to bring this line straight over. Then I'm going to bring this line down, and we're going to curve it all the way back up here by the eye. Draw a little line down. And we're going to make a line that comes across for the teeth. Now, starting here, I'm going to make a line that's going to come up, and we're going to curve it back all the way to here. Then, starting here, I'm going to draw a long line that's just going to come down. It's going to go over to here. I'm going to bring this line back up here for like his ear. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down, and then I'm going to come back. And then right here, we're going to make a line that's going to go down, and then it's going to come up for a little detail on his chest. And then we'll make another line that goes down, and then it's going to come back up. Now, right up here, I'm going to make a little line that's going to go up and then down. And then right over here, I'm going to make another little line that comes down. Now, right here, I'm going to make a line that's going to go out, and then it's going to come down. Then I'm going to make a line that's going to come all the way over to his face. Then I'm going to draw this line down a little bit. And then right here, I'm going to make a line that's going to curve up. We're going to come down and then in for his thumb. And we're going to make another line that's going to come down. And then we're going to make a line that's going to come down over here. Right up here, I'm just going to draw another little line, just kind of show where his arm is. And then we'll draw a little line over. And then right here, let's make a little line down. And then we'll make another little line up here, just to kind of show where his other ear would be. Now we're going to put those two spikes on here. It's going to be a little different. So we're going to add a little curve shape like this, and then I'm going to come up to a point and then over. And then over here, we're just going to draw kind of like that little curve shape, and it's going to come around. Then right here, I'm just going to draw a little line right by his mouth for some detail. And there you go. There is your drawing of Sonic versus Knuckles in kind of like a face-off position. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.